As a consequence to less number of teachers and less number of female students in the school, the average level of education among women is less than that of men. So what happens is, because the girl students are not enrolling enough in the schools, there are less numbers enrolling as female students in the schools, and out of that less number, again, it becomes lesser because there are dropouts amongst the girl students, and therefore these students who would be less in number would only grow up to be professionals. Few of them would also get an opportunity to go for the training qualifications. But again, there is a discrimination in that as well. There are very few training institutions available for female teachers. So, not many parents would like to send their daughters to the training institutions where there are men teachers. So, this vicious circle goes on, chaining due to different factors, and this chain continues and again consequently results in lesser number of female students being enrolled and getting education. Therefore, there are fewer women who meet the educational qualifications to become teachers. So, because of the less number of female teachers, there will be more men teaching in the schools. And because of that, again, the parents would not like to send, even if their daughters are at a young age or are just in the primary section, still the parents would not encourage that the girl students should be taught by the male teachers. As a result, there are fewer women teachers to teach the girls who ultimately want to enroll in schools. This is a report by UNESCO, and they did this study in 1987, and that is the reason they place here for fewer women teachers to teach the girls who ultimately want to enroll in schools. So this chain is going on and on because lesser number they get education, and because very few get teacher training facilities and opportunities to become teachers. Again, the role of the female teachers, which is considered to be very important for the girl students, is negligible in the school. There are more male teachers, and the administration is also mostly male. Therefore, the parents do not feel satisfied by sending their daughters to the schools where it is a male dominated territory. So, in that way, that means this circle is going to go on and on, and the women development in the field of education is going to be negligible because of one reason supporting the other. In any case, it is hoped that by this time things have improved. But again, these things are being improved more in the cities and capital cities and big towns. Where it comes the question of villages and small towns, the situation is still the same. So, broadly speaking, when it comes to the study of a country, then all these variables are taken into consideration, where it is found that generally speaking, the education amongst women is average than that if compared with the men. So, the men are getting more opportunities to study in schools, to be enrolled in schools, to get higher qualifications, to get professional qualifications, and thus be employed in the schools. So again, the schools will be male dominated, discouraging the girl students to be enrolled. The government of Pakistan needs to take care of this and consider it as a matter of concern in order to raise the number of teachers in the school and also the number of girl students in the school to be enrolled and then maintained with their education system by providing them opportunities, security, and sustainability, and also to encourage the girl students. Satisfying conditions should be prevailing in the schools so that the parents do not feel discouraged by sending their daughters to the schools because there are no female teachers in the school.